Interrupted with the Load-dll library DLL blocking shared library workflow? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. To start our guide for Load-dll library, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the Load-dll library, a specialized third-party utility DLL designed to facilitate the localized injection and loading of external modules into an active process, often used by localized software modders or specialized system installers to extend an application's functionality. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Since Load-dll library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the shared library toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application where you received the error is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Load-dll library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lockt/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Manual intervention with Load-dll library DLL is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. To review professional system maintenance concepts, the diagnostic kit below includes Load-dll library documentation. If you've regained access to Load-dll library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.